Hey everybody, this is Jacob Klingesmith, president of Tamarack Aerospace Group, and I'm really excited to be here talking about our new product, Tamarack AirConnect. This is an in-flight Wi-Fi solution that solves all the problems that we see in the industry. We know a lot of guys are throwing antennas up in the glare shield, and it's just not a tidy solution. We're working with the FAA to come up with a clean, FAA-approved, aerospace-grade solution for in-flight Wi-Fi. We expect approval later this year. Today we're announcing pricing. The upgrade is only $79,000 and a 5-day installation. We also offer an expedited installation with only 3 days of downtime for $84,000 for those of you who want it a little faster. We're now taking deposits, $12,500. It's fully refundable, so no risk to you, which lock in priority pricing and priority installation for later this year when FAA approval is granted. If this is the solution that you've been looking for, let's talk today and we'll help you lock in your priority installation for later this year.